grab your yoga mat. Let's start some yoga.
Hi there, my name is Alana. I'm from Ukraine. Welcome to my yoga channel. I love home workouts and sports. These things are best for the mind, body and soul. And I want to be a part of the awesome YouTube family to give viewers great workout tips. Your support will help me achieve my channel's goals of creating more video content that will motivate people to exercise and live a healthy lifestyle, improve production quality, and develop a variety of useful and educational YouTube content for you. I want to show my everyday working out routine. I love training at home and do it every day. This is a useful weekend vlog spending time well balanced sequence. To perform the royal asana, you need to take a lying position on your back. Legs and arms are slightly apart. The chin is slightly tilted to the chest and the palms are open to the ceiling. The main condition for a successful shavasana is that the position should be comfortable, such that you don't want to change it through the hold.